At the Patrick Dealer Group, your car buying experience doesn't end when you purchase your vehicle. It's actually just beginning. As a way of thanking you for your business, we offer an extensive list of benefits to our customers that are designed to make your ownership experience easier and more rewarding. Included in your benefits is 1 year of tire and wheel, dent and ding, and windshield coverage. 10% off transmission services, accessory products, and fuel services. We offer a 3-year collision deductible rebate, redeemable at the Patrick Auto Body and Collision Center. When it's time for maintenance or upgrades, take advantage of flexible payment options on parts, services, and accessories. Need help learning about your new car? We offer lifetime encore and delivery training. When it comes time to pick up your new car, you can do it at any of our Patrick dealership locations. And to keep your car looking its best, enjoy free car washes after every service and 15% off detail every year of your purchase. To make your car buying experience as easy as possible, you can now complete your entire purchase transaction online through Patrick Direct. At the Patrick Dealer Group, you're not just buying a car from us. You're joining our family. Every step of the way, every mile of the way. Taking care of you every day. That's the Patrick promise.